Okay, good evening. It's IM2 notes for Thursday, February 4th, 2021. The objectives for these notes are, by the end of class, you should be able to, 1, use given information about a triangle to determine which side or angle is the smallest, which one is the medium side, and which one is the largest of the three. That's your first goal. Your second goal is to determine if a triangle can be created from 3 side lengths. So I will give you 3 numbers. You tell me if they make a triangle. Okay, so how can we tell by looking which side or angle is largest? Right now we see 3 triangles. I've got a right triangle here. And all the numbers are up. All the numbers are on this triangle for me. And I can just look at them and see which one's the small, medium, and large, right? Like, this is my large side, this is my medium side, and this is my small, because I'm looking at the numbers 7.62 and 7 and 3. Those are my 3 side lengths. And from those numbers, I see the 7.62 is the biggest, the 7 is the medium, and 3 is the smallest. Now, what about the angle measures? When I'm looking at the angle measures, I will look inside at that number right there, inside the angle. Well, this one is my small. 67 will be my medium, and 90 will be my large. I've ordered the angles in order from smallest. I have them marked as which one's small, medium, and large, as well as the sides. Do you see a pattern? This is key, because there is a pattern happening right now. I'm going to go to another one right here. This is an acute triangle. All the angles are less than 90 degrees. Well, let's label it from short, medium, long. Here's my short. Here's my medium. Here's my long. Those are my 3 sides, right? The 5.39, 6, and 6.4. Short, medium, long, or small, medium, large. How about the angles? 51. 51 is my small angle. 60 is my medium, and 68 is my large. Now you look at those numbers and say they don't add up to 180. That's because this computer program rounds off to the nearest tenth, and it really should be 180 degrees. But these numbers are close. Do you see the pattern yet? If I tell you where the smallest angle is, here I'm going to write it down. I'm going to put the angles in order from smallest to largest. Angle G. That's an angle symbol, G. Medium is angle I. And large is angle H. That's small, medium, and large. What about the side lengths? Notice our short side is from H to I. So I'm going to say H, I is my short side, comma. Medium goes from G to H. G to H. I'm noticing a pattern now. And my long side goes from G to I. Look at the blue and the black right below it. These guys, they match up. They have a pattern going on. Do you see it yet? Well, you should see. I'm hoping you see it. Look at this last triangle here. I'm looking at this one. Where is my smallest angle? 24. Draw an arrow to the smallest side length. From the 24, there's my smallest side length. Okay, I'm going to change colors. Where's my medium angle? Well, that's a 29. Draw an arrow to the medium side. Oh, that's 6. What about the last one? My big angle? Big side, large. Small, medium, large. It's always across the triangle from each other. Large is across from large. Medium is across from medium. And small is across from small. So on this assignment, you will have something that looks like this. It says, order the sides of each triangle from shortest to longest. I got a problem on number 1. I only have 2 angles. I don't know what this angle is, but I do know the total is 180. So I subtract, let me subtract out the 180 equals 84 plus 46 plus, I don't know, x, angle L. Subtract 84 and 46 from both sides, and I get 50 equals x. So this is a 50-degree angle. That's 50. Now, order the sides from shortest, right? It says here from shortest to longest. You should have written sides from shortest to longest. Here's my shortest side, smallest angle. Shortest side is LK. Medium is here, KM. And then the longest one will be LM. I want you to do the same thing for number 2. That will be in the Ed puzzle. I didn't realize my stuff was still up there. Okay, order the angles in each triangle from smallest to largest. Angles. Well, I know that the smallest side will always be opposite the smallest angle. So angle R. Medium, 15, angle P. And long side should be opposite the big angle, angle Q. Can you do the same thing for number 4? Put them in order by the angles from smallest to largest. The last thing on our list was, how do we know if 3 pieces of something can make a triangle? Well, I'm going to go to this Desmos activity. I've got a triangle on the screen. Let's see if I move things around. Okay. I have 3 sides. I've got a 6, I've got a 5, and I got a 3.61. Well, the 5 and the 3.61 are my smaller sides. That's my small and medium. Add up to 8.61. Is it possible for them to be, for the largest side to be bigger than the other 2 put together? So if I go like this, let's see. I'm just going to play around with this and see if I find something interesting. The bottom is 15. The 2 smaller sides are 5.1. That's right here. And 10.05. That's 15.15. So they are bigger than the big side. Well, what if I go like this? Hold on. Where does it go? Try that. 7.21 and 13.6, that's these guys, add up to 20.81. This is 20.61. It looks like the longest side can never be bigger than the other 2 sides. I mean, I can go to here, but I think the computer's going to say they're equal. Let's look. 12.97 and 7 is 19.60. So here's where the computer's rounding things off and it's getting me a weird number. This is where they're equal only when it's the same thing. So here's our rule. The 2 sides, the 2 smaller sides, right here, must be greater than, that's the symbol, than the 3rd side. They have to be, or else it doesn't reach. So here's my 2 smaller sides. 12 plus 14 is 26. Is that greater than the large side? If you can say yes, it's a triangle. you can make a triangle. How about number 6? Where are the two small sides? Does this make a triangle? 18, 10 plus 8, is greater than 12. Yes. Number 7, does it work? 7 plus 9 is 16. Is that greater than 18? No, it's not. And then the last two, pick the smaller sides. That's 17. Is that greater than 14? Yes, you can make a triangle with those 3 pieces. Okay, that's everything for today.